I just received a box from scrapbook.com and I wanted to share it with you with this video. It's a heavy and huge box, so we will open it together. Let's see. I got a pretty idea of what could be inside, so packing material. I will keep it anyway. And I have a bunch of Nuvo pen. Those are Aquaflow. They have watercolor brushes with watercolor inside. I got blue. I got a bunch of colors. Those are really pretty. Let's see. Brown, I got the type of blue. What else? Those are violet. Yes, I got pastels too. And oh, love that. It's a gold. I can't wait to play with this one. I love gold. And this one is just water brushes. 2 of them. Yeah, okay, that's Nuvo, and you can find it on the scrapbook.com website. Thank you for that. And I got next Kelly Crate. She is marvelous with hand lettering. I'm really not good with that. I need to practice. That's perfect because those have 2 tips, one fine, one larger. And look, I got a blog and I can practice my lettering too, so those 2 will be handy for me. I'm so bad at it. And I got other stamp from Kelly Crate, so I probably can stamp and do my brush over that just to practice. What next? Those are exclusive stamps from scrapbook.com. This one is a holiday one, the Christmas one. This one, it's some tickets. And this one is, yeah, if you do December daily or if you do planning, you got all the number and December in different shape and some round tags. Really neat. What do we have? I got a small package with sequin and marker. Let's see. Okay, Kitty Crate again. Those are 3 black ink marker and a small block to practice. And a marker from scrapbook.com. That's neat. And that is a die cut. Very, very beautiful with the matching stamp. Look at this. Can you see it? Maybe with the white. Yeah. Ooh. And it's not done yet. I have a binder, snap binder by Simple Story. This one got some pocket pages and the binder is really beautiful. It's for, yeah, it's for December. And Simple Story, perfect with the binder. I can do a mini album. They have sticker inside, journaling tag, and paper 12 by 12. It's a 98 pieces kit, so you can do a whole album with that. So beautiful. Thank you so much, scrapbook.com. I'm gonna have a lot of fun with that during December and I think January too. Thanks again. You can find everything that I show you in this video on the scrapbook.com website. You will find the link probably somewhere under my video. Okay, see you, happy holiday, and